Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, give your thighs a big surprise with headlong harness lunges on the path of least resistance. Clip your leashes between waist and shoulder height onto a sturdy fence with a solid foundation. You can further adjust your leash length by clipping lower on a chain link fence or wrapping multiple times around a top rail. Facing away from the pick point, put your hands through the handles and walk forward so the loops tighten around your wrists. Grab the webbing in your hands. Keeping your weight forward in the straps, carefully walk your feet back to the base of the fence. Bend your knees to bring your face within kissing distance of the ground. Then drive your heels back into the fence foundation to load up the front of your quads and rocket you forward like a low-flying superhero. Crank out a set of 10 reps. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Become a high quad achiever. Put the can in cantilever with these headlong harness lunges on the path of least resistance. Thanks for always leaving the gym nicer than you found it. But please, don't throw out the subscribe button.